You can create video and audio libraries as products on your Ezy site, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to add those galleries onto any web page. So I'm going to add a blank section to this page. I'm going to go into widgets and I'm going to drag in the video gallery. Now the video and audio gallery work pretty much the same. I'm going to demonstrate in this tutorial the video gallery, but trust that if you're working with audio galleries the process is pretty much the same. Now I've dragged in the video gallery widget and you can see straight away I've got a presentation of all of the videos that are available on my site. A right click takes me into the settings, and here is where I can start changing some things about the layout of this. So let's first have a look under settings. You can control whether you can see just free videos on this widget or premium videos, those that you pay for, or you can see all of them together. So you can choose what's on display there. You can order them in the order of age, either in reverse order or ascending order, whichever is best for you, old versus new. And you can also choose which galleries are on display. Now, on this site, I've got two galleries, one called EzyCourse Tutorials and one called AI and Automation. If I only wanted one of those libraries on there, you can see I can select that just using this setting here. Next up is the sidebar style. So this is the sidebar here. I can change the font of the title. I can change the weight of it. I can even increase the size if I want to. And I can also change the color just how I want it to be. So you can make all this fit all your branding. You can change things like the spacing, the line height, and everything like that. Now, in terms of the active library color, so if I go into EzyCourse, you can see the EzyCourse Tutorials gallery is now selected. I can customize how that appears. So let's say I want that active library to appear in my DSM green color. I can do that just there. And then the inactive library color, that can be changed just here as well. So you can see these inactive ones are now in a different color. I can change all the padding style as well. Now, next up, I'm going to just minimize that and go into category styles. So these styles along the top here, again, they can be changed. So let's make the active one into my green color. I can change the border colors, and then the inactive categories, I can change the colors of those as well. So this is how you can really customize it and make it look your own. I can customize the card styles as well. So let's change the background color, for example, to something different. I can then change the title color if I wanted to as well. And I can make all sorts of different changes to the other colors just here. Now, also worth me pointing out the content tab. So on the content tab here, this is where you can change all the different bits of default text. So you can relabel those exactly as you want them to be, even down to this placeholder text here. Let's go type in the topic you are looking for and see how that's updated just here. If I wanted to change categories here, I could change that to, I don't know, topics. There we go. So you see you can make lots of adaptations to this and make them look exactly how you want them to be. So yes, all of that is available to you in the Ezy Builder. That's how you can add galleries onto your site. Let me just show you how this looks as I preview it as a user. So this is how it looks now. I can kind of browse through the different categories here. I can go through the different galleries also on the side as well. It will be easy for me to search for topics just in this bit here using the search bar at the top. So yes, a very powerful way. Now let me just show you one last thing now. I'm going to log into this page now in an incognito window, so I'm not actually logged into the site, and I can show you what this now looks like. So if I go into this video gallery as a user, I can click on the videos and there the video is loading up, and that gives you access to that. Now, if this was a premium library, I would click onto that video and then it would prompt me to make a purchase of that library, and all of your checkout is all built in, ready to go for you. So that is how you can add a gallery onto any of your pages using the Easy Builder.